Yeah. Take this off right here. There we go. Okay, we bring that down a little bit, and we use these little locking devices that flyers like.
Okay.
They're good for that. You just pinch that like that.
Oh.
Yeah, they're nice. You can get them at Harbor Freight for a set of 3. I think is for like $4 or something like that. Real cheap.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight is my place to go for tools I don't use that often.
I see.
Okay, now we gotta, let's see, we have a clamp on that side. There we go. Okay, here we go. Move that back a little bit. And then we put it on the inside. I don't know why.
Go figure.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Get this one over here. And then you twist that a little bit to break it loose from the filter. And hopefully there's no fuel come out. Oh boy, what's on there? There. Oh,
Right.
very tight. All right, let's try it on the back side over here. Go further, a little bit further back on this. Yeah, right there. Oh, come on. Grab both sides. There. There it comes. Here it goes. There's one. Oh. Let it drain a little bit so we don't get wet.
Is that oil?
No, that's fuel.
Oh,
That's diesel fuel.
okay.
That is your primary fuel filter,
I see.
they call it. There's a primary and a secondary.
Mm-hmm.
The primary is underneath, and the secondary is over by the engine.
By the engine.
So then we twist this, and then the clamp, you want to put it the same way it came out.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, here we go. And see, it has an arrow. That's the flow of fuel. Right there.
Oh.
That means it's got to go, the fuel comes in here, goes that way, over to the engine.
Got it.
So then you put this here. Oh, before you do that, you want to put the clamp on like this, because it's going to go back over this way, yeah. The nut is on the top. See the nut?
Yes.
You want that on the top. So what you do is you line this back up here. Put it on there. Put the clamp back in it before it, put that on. Come on. These clamps are, I'm gonna make myself a little pliers with the bigger ears.
Mm-hmm.
So you can grab both of them at the same time. That's the hard part. Grabbing these little type of clamps, see how they are?
Yeah.
They got 2 little tips here.
Right.
Yeah, and it's kind of hard to grab with a narrow one. I've been meaning to build one of these pliers for that.
Put a patent on it.
Yeah, I should, huh? Come on, here we go. There, that's all the way. And then this will line up like this. Yeah. Okay, now we put this here. And then the clamp. This is a little easier, you can grab it sideways. There. And then the bolt back in place. And then you release this now and let the fuel flow in the filter. And the bolt back in place. Come on, stay up there. Okay. There we go. Okay, now that the bolt started, you kind of position the filter rod in near the end, so it not too much far. You don't want it to kink the line,
Okay.
so you just kind of go in the middle, in the middle of the filter. Yeah. And it should start to tighten it up. Let's see. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, just make sure it's not kinked back here, and it's good. And snug this up here. And we're done in here. Now, since we're down here, we could change the hydraulic filter.
Okay.
That's done at the first 50 hours. And then the next time you need to change it will be every 2 oil changes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's every, this particular filter gets changed every other engine oil change.
Okay.
Yeah. In other words, if you change it at 75 hours, at 140 hours, this can change.
Yeah.
So I'm going to write the hours and everything. Like, see how this is 0 hours? I'm going to put the hours that it has and the date, so you have an idea when it was changed.
And
So on this one here, when you take it off, you're not going to lose any oil.
oh, okay.
Only what's in the filter.
I see.
Yeah, it doesn't have a cavity that'll dump all the oil out like some tractors do.
Got it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm going to be back with the filter wrench.
All right.